Hi guys. Sorry I've been absent for like a month. I recently started school and I got sick. Not like that sick, like oh my god, I feel like I'm going to die cold sick. I hate colds. And you may be able to tell by my voice. And by the cough. Yeah. School has been making it extremely difficult. This has been making it extremely difficult to actually talk to people because I recently moved here from Kansas, as you may have, as you could have told from my first video. I was in Kansas then, and I was like, yeah, I have lots of friends. Here's one of those, blah blah blah. But I moved here, absolutely no one. I know no one. That sounds really weird. No. But I know no one. And like, I got to school, I talked to a few people, I have like two friends the two people that I only trust. And then I got this, and now I can't talk to people. Because they avoid me, because they think I'm diseased with like the plague or something. That's how they react to me in the halls. Oh, there's something funny to tell you. This nearly froze my hand off. Because you know how you can shake this stuff? Well, I was shaking it because I was just wanted to see what would happen. I was shaking it, and it got colder, and colder, and colder, and colder. Like, it literally got to the point where if I would set it down for like 4 minutes, it would get ice on it. Yeah, it got really cold. So, like, I held it and to see how long I could hold it for. Stupid me. I held on to it for like 4 or 5 minutes, and I was like, Jeebus, 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 and I like threw it across the room, and like my hand barely moved. Yeah. I've been recently introduced to a new piece of technology that's actually pretty old. Oops. Thing. I'm just gonna do this. This thing. It's amazing. Watch, watch. I've never actually seen a Labelmaker, so I'm just going to print my name. Look at it! That's so cool! I feel so stupid. I'm amazed by this, but still, it looks awesome. And then it has this little button to cut it. And there you go. My name. I think I held it upside down. There we go. My name. That's so cool. I'm making a video.
About what?
About the Labelmaker. This thing is awesome.
You're making a Labelmaker video?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Are you editing it?
No, I'm making it right now.
You're recording right now? You're recording?
Get out. No, get out.
I was saying this.
No, get out.
Why?
Second time he's interrupted me. But yeah, for those of you who didn't see, name. And it even gets a little sticky thing on the back, and I thought you had to like peel it like this, but no. They cut it, so you have to do this. I am so intrigued by this, and I don't know why. Like, I feel special. I'm like one of those slow kids, like, oh, yeah. So, yeah, here's this Labelmaker thing. Beep, 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 beep. What is this witchcraft? This is blasphemy! Madness! Madness! This is labels! Ah, this thing is so cool. I'm going to be using this more often. Just gonna stick on my forehead. That's my name. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna end it here because I have school tomorrow, so goodbye.